Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am going to be recreating Sydney Nicole Adams on Instagram. She's Sydney Nicole on YouTube here, previously known as Voodoo Barbie. I am going to be recreating her haunted mansion look that she just did. I'm obsessed with it. I can't stop thinking about it. I can't stop looking at pictures of it. I keep rewatching the tutorial. So I'm going to recreate it to the best of my abilities today. And I think almost everything I'm using is drugstore, so this would be like a drugstore version. So if you guys want to see me recreate this look, check it out, and I will link her video and her Instagram and everything down below. So for starters, she starts with the P. Louise base. I do not have any of those bases yet, but I'm going to use my NYX base in white and put this all over. I think I'm going to use a brush for this, just for the sake of keeping it super duper clean and getting it nice and even. First color she goes in with is a deep teal, so I'm gonna use the Tammy X Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going in with this deep teal here. This is Definitely, I think, is the color. So we're gonna go in with this on a pencil brush, and we're going to lay it out really far because hers goes out pretty far and it goes up into the crease and over. Not worried about being super neat right now. I'm just worried about getting all the color down and making it really pigmented. So next is a blue. I'm going to use the blue that is in this palette as well. This is St. Catherine. And we're gonna pack that on top of the teal. And all of this is very winged out, so we're gonna take it all the way out. Now that we have those colors laid down, I'm going to take a flat brush and go in and cut my crease. Taking this kind of a lavender color here, we're going to pack this on the lid. I go in with the darker purple and add this to the outer half of the lid. For liner, I am going to be using Jet Set from NYX. I think she used a P. Louise Acid Rain, but this is as close to that color as I could get liner wise. I mean, this is a liquid lipstick, so use cautiously, of course, as always. I have to put that disclaimer. But yeah, this is what we're going to use for our liner. I'm going to use the Wander Beauty mascara. This is the Mile High Club mascara. While I let that dry down, we're going to add a little bit of glitter to our cut crease and take a little bit of glitter adhesive. She used a glitter liner, which I don't have any of, so I'm going to be using loose glitter. And that is going to be the Ritz glitter from Sin Cosmetics. For the eye, I'm going to use this Ulta pencil in Aqua. Then I'm going to go back in with that teal color. And just smoke that out underneath. So she used a gold highlight, and I don't really have any gold highlights, so I'm going to use my Goddess of Love Baked Highlight from Makeup Revolution. And we're gonna highlight all over just like she did. Probably the only non-drugstore thing other than the mascara. I'm going to take Heroin pencil from MAC. Using NYX Oh Put It On for our lip color. It's just a really deep purple. So this is the completed recreated look. I hope you guys like it. I think it is pretty close. I think just maybe here I didn't make it big enough, but we both have very different face shapes. So yeah, if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe, check out my Instagram for more looks that I've done, and also make sure you check out the original video, which I will leave a link down below. So I hope to see you guys in the next one, and bye.